This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to clear the app data on any Android. So you can just go to the settings right here, select it, and then going down to apps. Down under here, locate the app you're having an issue with. Let's just go to where it says Google Chrome, or we can try Discord. Now there's a couple things that we can do to get the app to work. We can go to the top right and we can uninstall the updates. We could force stop it. We can go down to storage. We can clear the cache, and we can clear the data right there as well. So that's how you find that. Now, when you clear the data, it's going to delete all information on the app and all your accounts, etc. So you might have to sign back in. So just a heads up. Make sure you have your email address and password at hand, just in case you do that. But then we can open it up right here. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.